Well, this is the best GoPro we've ever made. Hero 5 Black is the camera that's so convenient and easy to use, you forget that you're using it. Yet it doesn't give up any of the performance, durability, or versatility that GoPro's famous for.
Hero 5 Black is where really everything comes together. We're giving people all the tools in one package. They're getting waterproofness, they're getting ruggedness, they're getting image stabilization, voice control.
GoPro, shoot first.
The screen on the back, they're getting the full embodiment of what is GoPro.
Wow. Hey, here come the trouble.